Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete people per hour account. So you will just have to open the Google Chrome and read the community guidelines. How to deactivate or delete my account people per hour sport. So here is the best thing you can see from here. So how do I deactivate or delete my account? So you can read these 5 steps and you will click on your profile photo in the top right corner from the drop down menu. Click on settings and goals and journal tab. Next to account, click edit deactivate your account immediately by clicking on here option or contact our customer support team and inform us to process this for you. So if you want to deactivate, you can reopen it anytime by type your password, and if you want to delete your account permanently, it's are also option are there. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.